advanced material base. Let's figure out how we're going to do this. There's various kinds of bases. I always use the base that has these tanks on each side. Much easier that way. First thing we do is we bring in, come on, what are you waiting for? Alright, let's stop this. This is not okay. Try this again. I am all screwed up. First thing, bring in 4 devout, 4 more devout, put them on hold. 4 controllers, put them on hold. Bring in 1 escort. That escort will draw some people, so now we're just going to kill people. The devout don't move, the controllers do the killing. And you bring the escort in, because the escort is going to draw these guys from the back. That will give us trouble later in the game if we don't do it now. And let's go over here and kill this tank. Usually these guys generate somebody. Right now they're not. That's okay. Oh, I know, I stopped. That's why. Alright. Anyways, that clears the front. Now, I stop now so that these will no longer cause troops to come forth. Now we're going to slowly clear the front. 4 devout. Bring them in, put them on hold. 4 controllers that we'll use to clean the front. All right, now we'll just take one of these guys. We'll bring him over here, and he will take the heat. Right there, that's good. Now we take the controllers and we clear the front. So everybody's shooting him. Devout will take very limited damage. And the controllers will clear the front. Alright, now we're going to go over here. We're going to clean up this side over here. Okay, got him. Now we're going to take out this guy because he will kill our escort. Alright, and we're going to treat these guys. Next step, we bring in 1 escort. I used to bring in Braden, but if you bring in Braden, he is too powerful. He will kill these tanks too quickly. So I bring in 1 escort. I'm going to use this tank to clear the base. This tank is going to run through and clear most of the base for us. So just let him go through, and then we'll do the other thing, same thing from the other side. But these little tanks make it so easy to clear advanced material bases. As soon as he starts moving in the middle, we'll stop. But he's going to clear out a lot of this stuff for us. Watch, he's going to see he's starting to move. We don't want him to die, so we do that. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to bring in 4 devouts. Put them on hold. Bring in 4 controllers that we'll clear the side with. You select them, take one of these guys. He's going to draw all the attention. Bingo, that's good right there. Take the controllers, and let's clear the space out. Now we'll clear this stuff. We got to get rid of this guy, otherwise he will kill our escort. As soon as that all dies, good. Retreat them. Retreat them. Now we're going to bring in that one escort we have. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put him right there. See that spot? That's where you want to send him. We're going to clean out all this stuff here with this tank. Get him in position and go. And when he sometimes glitches, he doesn't die. If he doesn't die, we just kill him. But sometimes he dies as he goes through. Not hard to do. Basically, he's going to go through and clean out this. Take him out. Good, got him. He's going to clean out this. When he does, we're going to stop. And we're going to use those same two tanks to do a lot more damage. Clean him out and we'll stop. All right, that's it. Now we're going to end the attack because you see those tanks aren't where we want them. We want them to be back where we started. See, now those tanks are back where we started. Use that one escort, same escort, bring it back in. We're going to use this tank now to run through here and clean this out. Same tank. See that tree right there? That's what you want to shoot for. You go from there and he'll basically do pretty well. So go to that tree. And then just run him through. He should take out this here. We're just using the tank to clear most of the base for us. We're going to do the same thing on the other side to clean out some more. Make it easy. They start coming. Basically, when these two die, we'll retreat him. And that's good enough right there. Now we'll send him, same escort, over here. We're going to run down here and try to get out that. See this tree right here? Go to that tree. Right there is where you want to send him. Then he attacks. He should take out that tower. Take him. If these guys get you, leave, but you should be able to get that tower. Anyways, you're always ready to retreat if it gets dangerous. But that should take out that tower for you. Bingo, that's it. We're going to stop because it's going to clean it. All those guys are going to go away. No sense fighting them. Now the next step. You can't see them on HTML. You can see it on Flash, but there are mines in here. To get rid of the mines, you're going to bring in Max. And Max has a sonic voice. He will clean out all the mines. Unfortunately, you can't see it. You just got to trust me. There's mines. 2 here. There's 1 mine here. There's 6 mines here. So he's, by barking, he's cleaning out these mines. Okay, he got them all. Unfortunately, you can't see it, but they're there. Now we bring in the controllers. Again, at this point, you could literally bring in your devout absolvers, but we're just going to clean it up a little bit. Basically, we're done. Take this out. He'll come up. We'll kill him. We'll kill him. We'll bring our devoutes in, clean the base, and we're done. Really is pretty easy. But you got to be methodical about it. Take him out. Take out that. Got him. Got him. Take out this. Take out him. Okay. We're almost done. I'm going to bring in, as soon as that gets to 0, bring in 12 devout, 6 absolvers. Because all these mines are gone, we won't die. But those 9 mines, they'll do a lot of damage. We're almost done. We're really close to being done. Just got to get him out. That's it. Just that easy, just that quick. And let's see what we got. 3,000. So what I'll do is I will send them home to let you see. Basically, you're going to have a minute or two of damage total. That's it. Minute or two, which is instant repair. I'll show you how much we get. Are we full? Oh, you buzzard. I need 1,000 more. I gotta kill another one for 1,000. You are such a buzzard. Thanks, Kixeye. As soon as the troops get back, and I'll show you that they basically got almost no damage. Okay, advanced material, 4 minutes. Guess what that means? Hey, where'd you go? Get back here. Advanced material, 4 minutes. Instant repair, 47 seconds. That's it. That's all it was. Go. Do life.